with Susanna. This is Susanna, and she represents all the amazing microcredit clients that we support around the world. And this is our show. Susanna, what are we making today?
Thai green curry chicken with rice noodles.
Wow, that sounds good. First, heat your oil. Add your coconut milk. And your curry paste. And whisk. And whisk. Now that it's starting to rumble, add your chicken and your green beans. Now that it's reached a boil, cook for 8 minutes. Now that your chicken's done, add the remaining coconut milk. Stir and bring to a boil. Now you stir in your fish sauce, your sugar, some fresh basil, stir and remove from the heat. And there you have it, Thai green curry with chicken and rice noodles. Shaboom! This recipe is inspired by Boon Lam, who is a microcredit client of small enterprise development in Thailand where Whole Foods Market sources rice. Whole Planet Foundation funds microlending programs where Whole Foods Market sources product as a way to give back to those communities. With her loan, Boon Lam funded a noodle making business. She makes rice noodles of different colors, including purple noodles, whose color come from purple orchids. And the best part about cooking with Susanna is eating with Susanna.